Hi students, welcome to all of you in today's class. Today I have taken a chapter from mensuration, and from that mensuration I have taken cylinder. From mensuration I will solve problems in four parts. First cylinder, second sphere, third cone, and in fourth part we will do some problems from combined solids. Then in first part I have taken here cylinder. This is cylinder, and this upper part and lower part, both parts are in the shape of circle. Both parts are circular. This paper I have folded. Let's see. This is also in a shape of cylinder. This upper part and lower part both are in circular shape. Then if we will find out the curved surface area of the cylinder, it is in the shape of cylinder. Let's find out the curved surface area of cylinder. That means perimeter of the base into height. This perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base means this part, and height of the cylinder means this part. So let's find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. That is denoted by CSA, curved surface area. It is perimeter of the base. What is the perimeter of the base? Then perimeter is circular part. So it will be 2 pi r into height of the cylinder. That means h. Altogether we can write down 2 pi r h. Means curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. And again total surface area of the cylinder means in second number we will do total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area means we will do, if it is cylinder, then area of this part, upper part, area of this lower part, and curved surface area of the cylinder. Means total surface area equal to how much we can write? It is total surface area equal to how much? Area of this upper part will be pi r square. Area of this lower part will be how much? Again pi r square. Both will be same, and plus curved surface area of the cylinder, that means 2 pi r h. Altogether it will be, after adding these two, it will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. Can we take here common 2 pi r? Then here it will be r plus h. Means our total surface area of cylinder will be how much? 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay. Now third we have to find out its volume. Means volume of cylinder. In third number, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, it is denoted by V equal to. Volume of cylinder means what will be the area of this part? Area of this part, that means circle. Area of circle. Then area of circle will be pi r square. Then area of circle will be pi r square plus height of the cylinder. Area of the base into height of the cylinder. Area of the base means area of circle. Its shape is circle, circular shape it is. So area of circle will be pi r square and height of the cylinder will be h. Means altogether into h. Means altogether how much we can write? Pi r square h. It is volume of the cylinder. So we have, I am writing here in short, CSA equal to 2 pi r h, TSA equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, and volume equal to pi r square h. These three things we need to solve the problems. Now let's take a problem. I am taking one problem from book. Let's see. Find the radius of the circular base of a solid cylindrical pipe is 3.5 centimeter and it is 20 centimeter long. Find its curved surface area, total surface area and volume. Let's see. Find the radius of the circular base of a cylindrical pipe. Means its radius is given how much? Question I am taking. Radius r equal to given 3.5 cm and the height of the, and it is this much meter long, that means height equal to given 20 centimeter. Then we have to find CSA equal to how much, or write down here. Then CSA equal to how much, TSA equal to how much, and V equal to how much. These three things we have to find out. Let's do. Then here we have to write down solution. We have, what do you have? R equal to 3.5 centimeter, H equal to 20 centimeter. Then CSA of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, equal to, what is formula? CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH equal to 2 pi is, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. If given the value of pi is 22 upon 7, then write down that. And if it is given 3.14, then write down 3.14. If not given, then we can write down 22 upon 7 into R, means R is given 3.5 cm and H is given here 20 cm. Okay, equal to, after dividing this you will get 0.5, it is 3.5. So 22 to the 44 into, after multiplying this 10, we will get 10 cm square. Altogether it will be 440 cm square is its CSA. 440 cm square is its curved surface area. Now we have to find out, in second number we have to find out its TSA. TSA equal to, what is formula? 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. So equal to 2 pi means 22 upon 7, r means 3.5 cm, again 3.5 plus h means 20. I am writing here cm only. Yeah. Now after cancelling it will be 0.5. So it will be 22 to the 44 into 0.5 into, after adding this it will be 23.5 cm square I am writing. Now altogether after multiplying you will get 517. Altogether 517 cm square is its TSA. It is total surface area of the cylinder. Now in third number we have to find out, after this I am writing here, and volume of cylinder V equal to, what is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So it will be pi r square, that means 3.5, r is given here 3.5 into 3.5 into pi r square, h means 20 cm, equal to, it will be 0.5. After multiplying these all you will get 770 cm cube. The volume of the unit of volume will be cm cube. So 770 cm cube will be its answer. By using these all formula, we got CSA, TSA and its volume. I think all of you understood this. Okay, thank you.